Life is busy. Between work, family, and everything in between, finding time to cook a healthy dinner can feel impossible. Fast food and takeout become tempting options. But eating healthy doesn't have to be a chore. You can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals, even on the busiest of days. This essay is packed with quick and healthy dinner ideas, each one prepped and cooked in 30 minutes or less. Ready to ditch the takeout menus and embrace a healthier lifestyle? Let's get cooking. Let's dive into some quick and easy dinner recipes that will nourish your body and tantalize your taste buds. We've got something for everyone, from savory shrimp scampi to a vibrant chicken stir-fry, and a refreshing quinoa salad for our vegetarian friends. No culinary degree is required here, just a dash of enthusiasm and a sprinkle of your own creativity. First up, let's whip up a classic Italian dish, shrimp scampi. This recipe is a symphony of flavors featuring succulent shrimp bathed in a garlicky, buttery sauce. 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1/4 cup olive oil, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1/4 cup dry white wine, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, salt and black pepper to taste, 1 pound linguine pasta. 1. Cook the pasta according to package directions. 2. While the pasta is cooking, heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the shrimp and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until pink and cooked through. 3. Remove the shrimp from the skillet and set aside. 4. Add the garlic to the skillet and cook for 30 seconds, or until fragrant. Pour in the white wine and lemon juice, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the skillet. 5. Return the shrimp to the skillet and stir in the parsley. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 6. Drain the pasta and add it to the skillet with the shrimp sauce. Toss to combine. 7. Serve immediately, garnished with additional parsley if desired. Shrimp is a fantastic source of lean protein, essential for maintaining energy levels and building and repairing tissues. Speedy chicken stir-fry, a rainbow on your plate. This recipe is a celebration of color and crunch, featuring tender chicken and a medley of your favorite vegetables. 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup sliced carrots, half a cup snow peas, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. 1. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, honey, cornstarch, and water. Set aside. 2. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until browned and cooked through. 3. Add the broccoli, carrots, and snow peas to the skillet. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until the vegetables are crisp tender. 4. Pour the soy sauce mixture into the skillet and cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the sauce has thickened. 5. Serve immediately over rice or noodles. This stir-fry is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from the colorful vegetables. Quinoa salad, a refreshing vegetarian delight. For our vegetarian friends, we have a light and refreshing quinoa salad that's bursting with flavor and texture. 1 cup quinoa rinsed, 1 cucumber diced, 1 red bell pepper diced, half a cup chopped fresh parsley, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup lemon juice, salt and black pepper to taste. 1. In a medium saucepan, combine the quinoa and water. Bring to a boil over high heat. Reduce heat to low, cover and simmer for 15 minutes or until the quinoa is cooked and the water is absorbed. 2. Fluff the quinoa with a fork and let it cool slightly. 3. In a large bowl, combine the cooled quinoa, cucumber, red bell pepper, and parsley. 4. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil and lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 5. Pour the dressing over the quinoa mixture and toss to combine. 6. Serve chilled or at room temperature. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also a good source of fiber and iron. Practical tip: cook a large batch of quinoa at the beginning of the week to use in multiple meals. Store the cooked quinoa in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy delicious and healthy meals, even on busy days. There you have it. 3 quick, healthy, and incredibly delicious dinner ideas that can be on your table in 30 minutes or less. With a little planning and a few simple ingredients, you can enjoy flavorful and nutritious meals even on the busiest of days. So, ditch those takeout menus, put on your apron, and get cooking. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. What are you waiting for? Head to the kitchen and whip up one of these amazing meals tonight.